Welcome to CITC 2323. This is Elias Ladd for Lab 4.2, implementing an advanced DNS solution. The lab objectives for the following video will be configuring the DNS SEC and configuring a global name zone. Let's go ahead and begin with exercise 12.1, configuring DNS SEC for a DNS zone. First thing we'll be doing is going to our domain controller, into our tools and DNS, which we have open currently. From here we'll be expanding our domain controller directory and then expanding forward lookup zone. Then we'll be right clicking our contoso.com zone and choosing DNS SEC and then sign the zone. Next. And then from here we'll be selecting add. And then from the dialog box for the key we'll be selecting OK. And next. And then from here, doing the same thing, add and OK. Next. Finish. Okay. And with the Contoso domain highlighted still, we'll be pressing the F5 command to refresh the list. Everything should be signed with DNS SEC, which it is. Let's go ahead and begin with exercise 12.6, configuring a global name zone. In this exercise, I will enable and configure global name zone to provide a single name support. So the first thing we'll be doing inside of our domain controller is right-clicking Start, going into our command prompt admin. And from here we'll be typing out the following command, DNS command, and then our server 01/config/enable global names support. Okay, complete successfully. It's good news. Let's go ahead and close it out. And let's go into our DNS manager, which we already have open, and we were right clicking our DC1 into properties. Actually, no. We're right clicking DC1 into new zone. Next. For the type of zone, we'll just be leaving the default. So next. And we're just going through all this. For the zone name, we'll be typing global names. And then next. And then on dynamic, we do not want to allow it, so do not allow dynamic updates. Next. And finish. Then after this, we'll be right clicking. Hold on a second, let's refresh it. And then we right clicking global names, and then we'll be choosing new host. For the name of this new host, we'll be typing server1, and for the IP address, we'll be typing 192.168.1.60, and then we're clicking add host, and done. Then we'll be going to our DC again, right clicking it, and from here, actually, we go back into our command prompt, into our admin, and we're going to be typing out a command to ping our server1. Make sure that we get a reply, testing out that zone that we just created. Okay, so we do have a response. Now let's execute a command. Ping server 1. Cannot find host 4. Oh, there we go. And that concludes exercise 12.6. In review, we covered how to configure DNS SEC and to configure a global name zone.